of our daily tasks, and I feel like no one is really talking about this, is cleaning off bird poop or any animal poop from the tent. So if you're planning on doing a trip like this, definitely think about bringing some cloth or tissue to clean the tent from animal poop or urine. We've also had that a lot. Today it's going to be a super hot day. It's 10 in the morning and the sun is super strong already. So always wearing something for protection, not because it's cold. And we're kind of getting ready right now. First stop is going to be a supermarket, but we're getting groceries for today, and then we're headed towards the next campground. No? Trying another one, but I think we have to pay first. Okay, it looks like that worked. Nice. Hard to see, but there's still some smoke. So here's what you can do. You can either risk your life driving on a super busy highway, and I literally mean risk your life, truly, or you can drive on the gravel. And by the way, that's the official Eurovelo. Now, the shoulder's ending and we have to drive on that highway. Oh, I mean, I can't believe it. Something that I've been trying to keep out of the videos is we came to Portugal loving this country, and we've just had so many bad experiences with the car drivers and the pedestrians. We don't know what it is, and we spoke to other cyclists and they don't know either. But for some reason the car drivers want to threaten you. They drive so aggressively. They make you feel very unsafe. It's just so frustrating. That was a very abrupt change of weather and it kind of changed the whole atmosphere, but I love it. We arrived at the campground, but it looks very, very, very bad. We have to wait at the reception again forever. It's so crowded, and the only place for tents is next to the busiest road. Just want to be able to wild camp, but stupid fences. So we came down that super steep road, and now we have to go through the riverbed. Interesting. You go first. So since this has been the official Eurovelo, but we have to push the bikes so many times or drive super slow because it's very slippery, we are deciding to drive on the street instead and toss the Eurovelo. Right? Heute gibt's Alkohol. So. Oh, dann geht's mal los. We bought this sangria yesterday at the other campground and it was quite cheap. It was €2. It's 1.5 liters with 7% of alcohol. It tastes like juice. It's good. Also, we talked to our friends the other day on the phone, and they're called Tina and Torin. And Torin knows a lot about everything that's related to forests and outdoors and everything. And he told us the reason, the reason why the whole area, the forests are fenced. It's probably for hunting reasons. Wie sagt man da? Wie sagt man da?
Ich weiß, dass du das so gut erklären kannst.
Oh, Alex said I cannot explain. Okay, then I stop and do what women can do best, make dinner. Oh Mann.
Sonst zu lang.
Portugal is redefining steep roads because I know the camera never picks it up, but it's so steep. I saw that castle from far away already, but I never would have imagined I'm driving up there today. As a reference, down there is the supermarket that we've just been to. We have to go up there. It's so steep. We have to do it together. We're getting the full experience. Ooh. The full off-road experience. Oh, but I love the fact that we are alone. Oh, no other people. Hooray! We are on the hunt for today's camp spot. Alex leaves in this direction. I go here. Huh. So that wasn't really successful. But let's see what Alex found. Okay, we found this spot that is very even, but as you can see, some people use it as a toilet, and it's directly next to the street. Well, it's a teeny tiny path, and to be honest, I don't really think that it is very frequented. Oh, maybe I should go up here and have a look. We found the spot, but it's a very far away from our route. Going down this little hill, going up this hill, then there's another hill and another hill, and one after that. It took us 35 minutes of walking around here, and it's not only walking around, it is literally climbing up little mountains and hills. Ooh, I think I've earned myself a dessert tonight. So, walking back to the bikes, then building the tent, shower and have dinner, go to bed. Go, go, go!